Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is making money while sleeping. Not because they're lucky. Not because they were born rich. Not because they became famous overnight. But because they uploaded a video. A single video. And while they eat, work, travel, or sleep, that video keeps working for them. Meanwhile, most people are still trapped trading time for money. 1 hour worked. 1 hour paid. The moment they stop working, the income stops. But YouTube changed the rules. For the first time in history, ordinary people can create digital assets that continue generating income long after the work is done. And the craziest part? Most people watching this video are still waiting. Waiting for confidence. Waiting for better equipment. Waiting for the perfect idea. Waiting for the perfect time. But while they wait, someone else starts. And in 5 years, that decision changes everything. Today, we're going to break down exactly how YouTube can increase your income, and why starting now may become one of the most important financial decisions of your life. Part 1. YouTube is no longer just entertainment. Most people still see YouTube as a place for entertainment. Funny videos, music, gaming, drama. But smart people see something else. They see infrastructure. A global system that allows anyone with internet access to build an audience, a brand, a business, multiple income streams, without needing permission from a company. That's powerful. In the past, if you wanted to reach millions of people, you needed a TV station, investors, connections, massive money. Today, a smartphone can do what entire media companies once controlled. That shift is historic, and most people still underestimate it. Part 2. YouTube creates leverage. The average person works for money once. YouTube allows you to work once, and potentially get paid repeatedly. That is leverage. Imagine you spend 5 hours creating one valuable video. That video might get views for years, generate ad revenue, bring clients, sell products, build trust, grow your audience, even while you sleep. That changes the relationship between time and income. Instead of constantly restarting from zero every day, your work compounds. 1 video becomes 10. 10 videos become 100. And eventually, your content library becomes a digital machine working in the background. This is why many creators suddenly appear successful overnight. People only notice the explosion. They don't see the hundreds of videos uploaded before anyone cared. Part 3. YouTube has multiple income streams. Most people think YouTubers only make money from ads. That's only one piece. YouTube can create income through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, courses, coaching, brand deals, memberships, merchandise, freelance opportunities. A small channel with the right audience can make more money than a huge channel with the wrong audience. Because attention is valuable. Businesses pay billions every year for attention. And YouTube gives creators direct access to it. Even if your channel never becomes famous, it can still become profitable. A channel with 10,000 loyal viewers can completely change someone's financial life. Especially in countries where online income stretches further. Part 4. The biggest mistake people make. Most people consume YouTube. Very few build on YouTube. That difference matters. One person watches videos every day for entertainment. Another person studies what works, creates content, and builds digital assets. 5 years later, their lives look completely different. The internet rewards creators more than consumers. And right now, There are people making income from teaching what they know, sharing stories, explaining history, reviewing products, talking about money, making documentaries, creating animations, using AI tools. Some creators don't even show their face. The barrier to entry has never been lower. But the longer people wait, the more crowded the future becomes. Part 5. Why you need to start now. Here's the truth most people avoid. YouTube growth takes time. Skills take time. Confidence takes time. Experience takes time. An audience takes time. That's exactly why you should start now. Because every month you delay, someone else improves. Think about creators who started years ago. At the beginning, many had bad audio, terrible editing, low views, no confidence. But they kept uploading. And over time, their skills compounded. Now imagine someone who said, "I'll start later." 5 years passed. The person who started imperfectly now has experience, subscribers, systems, income, confidence, a brand. The person who waited still has ideas. That's the danger of delay. The internet rewards consistency more than perfection. Part 6. Attention is the new economy. We are living in the attention economy. Companies fight for clicks. Brands fight for views. Creators fight for audience trust. Attention became one of the most valuable resources on Earth. And YouTube is one of the largest attention platforms ever created. If you can consistently hold attention, you can create income. That's why storytelling matters. That's why thumbnails matter. That's why titles matter. Every successful creator understands one thing: attention first, value second, consistency always. And unlike traditional jobs, there is technically no income ceiling. One great video can completely change a creator's life. Part 7. You don't need to be an expert. One reason people never start is because they believe they need to know everything first. But YouTube rewards progress, not perfection. You don't need to be the world's best. You only need to be useful. Some people teach beginner fitness. Others explain books. Others document their learning journey. People connect with authenticity. In fact, many viewers prefer creators who feel real instead of perfect. And every video teaches you something. Better communication, better storytelling, better editing, better marketing, better confidence. Even if the channel grows slowly, the skills themselves become valuable. YouTube is not only a platform, it's a modern education system. Part 8. The fear of starting. Most people are not actually afraid of YouTube. They are afraid of judgment. What if nobody watches? What if people laugh? What if I fail? But almost every successful creator started with low views. The difference is simple. They continued. Nobody becomes confident before starting. Confidence is built through repetition. The first videos may be awkward. The first thumbnails may be terrible. The first edits may feel slow. That's normal. Every creator you admire once uploaded a video that almost nobody watched. The only reason they improved is because they began. Part 9. YouTube as a long-term asset. Here's what makes YouTube different from many jobs. A job usually pays you once. A valuable YouTube video can continue producing results for years. One video can bring subscribers, build authority, create trust, generate sales, open opportunities, increase income, long after it's uploaded. That means every video is like planting a seed. Some grow slowly, some fail, Some suddenly explode years later. But if you never plant anything, nothing grows. The world is changing faster than most people realize. Traditional income is becoming less stable. AI is changing industries. Competition is increasing. And in this new economy, attention and digital skills are becoming more valuable every year. YouTube is no longer just a hobby platform. For many people, it becomes a second income, a business, a personal brand, financial freedom, a new life. But none of that happens by watching forever. At some point, you must become the creator instead of only the audience. Because 5 years from now, you will either wish you had started today, or be grateful that you did. And the scary part? The time will pass either way. If this video motivated you, subscribe for more lessons on money, business, psychology, and digital success. And in the comments, answer this question. If you started a YouTube channel today, what topic would you create videos about? Your future might begin with that answer.